We have all heard the horror stories of trying to pump in a cramped, germ-infested commercial airplane lavatory, right? Well, today we are taking things to a completely different altitude. Imagine kicking back in a plush, white leather captain's chair, sipping a sparkling mocktail, and pumping your liquid gold while cruising at 40,000 feet. No strangers, no tiny bathrooms, and absolutely no stress. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your absolute favorite spot for all things motherhood, luxury travel, and high-end baby gear. Today, we are spilling the tea on what it is actually like to pump on one of the most exclusive private jets in the world, the Gulfstream G650ER. Because being a dedicated breastfeeding mama doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your bougie aesthetic or your dream vacation. Grab your matcha latte and let's get right into it. When you are flying private, especially on a heavy jet like the G650ER, the entire experience is a total game changer for nursing and pumping moms. First of all, let's talk about the cabin zones. This jet has up to 4 distinct living areas, which means you can literally close the privacy doors and create your own personal, ultra-luxe pumping suite. You do not need to mess with a nursing cover or hide from passengers. You can strip down to your favorite silk lounge set, stretch out on the fully reclinable divan, and just relax. Stress is the #1 killer of your milk supply, so being in a perfectly quiet, pressurized, serene environment with zero crying babies is the ultimate hack for maximizing your ounces. Now let's talk about the gear setup, because this jet is basically a flying luxury hotel. The G650ER is fully equipped with universal power outlets at every single seat. This means you can ditch the anxiety of your wearable pump dying mid-flight. You can plug in your heavy-duty, hospital-grade pump right there at your seat while you stream your favorite show on the oversized monitors using the high-speed Wi-Fi. If you prefer to stay completely hands-free, pop in your LV or Willow pumps and literally walk around the spacious cabin. You can prep your bottles and organize your designer pumping bag in absolute privacy. Plus, the cabin altitude is kept super low, which means you feel more rested and hydrated, exactly what your body needs to keep that milk flowing. Finally, let's get into the absolute best part of pumping on a Gulfstream, and that is the bespoke galley service. When you finish your pumping session, you do not have to frantically pack your milk into a travel cooler with heavy ice packs. You just hand those freshly pumped bottles to your private flight attendant. The galley on this jet features a state-of-the-art refrigerator. They will carefully label and chill your milk right next to the fresh fruit platters. And speaking of the galley, you can pre-order all of your favorite lactation-boosting snacks. Think gourmet oatmeal bowls, fresh avocado toast, and endless bottles of premium hydration. It is literally 5-star service tailored exactly to your postpartum needs. Pumping at 40,000 feet really doesn't have to be a struggle, especially when you know how to elevate your travel experience. You are doing the absolute most by feeding your baby, so you deserve to treat yourself to the best. If you are obsessed with these luxury travel hacks and want more real talk on living your best mom life, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a massive thumbs up if you would love to pump on a private jet, and drop a comment below telling us what bougie snack you would order from the flight attendant. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one. Safe travels, mamas.